Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to get original Snapchat notification sound. So let's get started. So what you can do is just simply tap and hold down on your Snapchat application and then tap on this eye icon, and after tapping on that eye icon, which is your app info, so after tapping on that you will come up to your app info section. From here what you have to do is just tap on notifications, and after tapping on notifications just scroll down. So what you can do is just select this first notification and then tap on advanced, and after tapping on advanced just tap on sound, and after tapping on sound in the top you will find this option which is default notification sound. Just tap on it and then tap on OK, and after changing that you have to do the same with this other one which is story reminders, and after tapping on that just tap on advanced and then tap on sound and then tap on default notification sound and then tap on add, and in this way just select every single option and follow the same process for every single option. And after doing that you will successfully get the original Snapchat notification sound. So that's it guys, this is how to get original Snapchat notification sound. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.